This video will help you to learn how to access the student homepage. The first thing you want to do when you log in is to select your learner. You might have multiple students in SAU 39, so choose which child you'd like to view. Click on their name, and it will bring you to their homepage. The homepage lists all of their courses they're currently enrolled in. All of these numbers show how many scores a student has received since the last time you logged in. If you click on the little box here, it will show you a quick view of all of those 19 scores that were done since the last time you logged in. Instead of scrolling through these, you can also just click View All, and it will bring you to the class log. The class log will show one class at a time, and the default is set to show just activities or assessments. So you can click here, and right now it's set to view all activities. So you can scroll through. These are the different projects or activities your child's completed in this sample art class and the different scores. And M means missing. And you can see other scores scored here as well. If you want to see overall scores, which are the overall score for that standard, you can click here. The default is to not show any overall scores, but you can click View All, and that will show you overall scores, and you can take the activity scores away. And these show our learning targets or standards and the score on each of those. You can easily click between classes to see another class. And this class doesn't have any overall scores, but it does have some activity scores. And to get back to the home page, just click the X in the upper right-hand corner. As always, if you need any help, please refer to our curriculum page, grading and reporting, and we have our Empower Parent Portal page with information on how to access Empower. And if you have any trouble, just click here for help. You'll be able to submit a form.